Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the portfolio. Portfolio is at $83,838. I think this month we will hit 90K plus easy. It just depends on how much AMD will run before earnings. Earnings for AMD is on August 5th, I believe. Let's actually check it out real quick. Yeah, August 4th after hours. So I think we will see a big run up before earnings, and I think earnings and guidance is going to be insane. I think AMD will have a $600 plus number for its share price by then. If we are at 600 plus, this portfolio will be closer to 95,000 by then. I'm thinking we're probably gonna hit 100K in August, so that's kind of my timeline right now. And with this kind of momentum and the amount of money that I'm able to put into the portfolio, I'm thinking we'll probably be at 110 to 120 by end of year. But work is slowing down, man. I'm not able to pick up as much overtime hours, which is crazy. I thought that I'll be able to continue to pick up more shifts, but it's just been difficult, man, to pick up shifts. They be hiring too many people at my job, and they're hogging all the freaking hours, just pissing me off. But I do what I can, right? I'm trying to take up as much opportunity as possible. Whenever I see hours, I'm always going to take it because I never know uh, when I'll have this opportunity that I'm having I have right now. When I'll have this opportunity again, so I'm trying to take advantage of the situation that I'm in and just putting in as much money into this portfolio as possible. Buying power is pretty good, $54,000. I'm gonna be using some of that to buy Meta. I think Meta under $600 is good. If I see Meta red again next week, even a little bit of red, I want to see 550, man. If we can get lower than 550, I will be buying a lot of shares. I want to be honestly, I want to have this at least into the 10K range, right? I want to be able to even out my portfolio a little bit more because only Meta right now or AMD is 56% of my total portfolio. I want to get that number down, but if AMD continues to go up, it's going to be harder for me to even it out because it's going to be taking up so much percentages in my portfolio. But right now, this is basically all the gains I've made. I'm only down on two positions, which is Meta and Salesforce. I think those are two pretty good buys right now. But other than that, every single other stock, I'm up, even a little bit. But all these ones that are under Salesforce, I only have about $1,000 in. So even Hood, like I only put $1,000 in, and I'm already up 50% on it, man. That's why you have to be quick when you buy stocks, man, because one day they can be down so much, and then if you were able to buy close to the bottom, they will bounce back fast. You have to have conviction in stocks that you buy. So all these stocks I really like. It's just I didn't have enough money to put a lot of money into it, man. I liked it. I bought it at good prices. I just didn't buy a lot at those good prices because you know what? I'm not making tens of $1,000s a month, right? I'm only making a few $1,000s a month that I'm able to put into the market. And I mean, at least I made some money, right? That's the good thing. But I'm actually pretty happy with the portfolio that we have right now. We're almost green on all positions. But like I said, I have a decent amount right here, 54,000 in buying power. Probably gonna use like 5 to 10K to buy Meta. Salesforce, I like Salesforce. Maybe buy some more. I need to get my equity up on a lot more of these positions, man. I want to get all these up more to like the 5K range. I only have about two of these positions that could be almost 5K. Alpha and Celsius. I mean, Alpha's been running, man. Another one that I wish I could have bought more. I mean, I'm up $1,100 pretty fast. Celsius, I could probably buy some more Celsius. I think Celsius might run up pretty fast too, so I might put another $800 into this, another $500 into Elf next week. If I see any more red days, big red days, I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy. Same thing with Service Now. Service Now, what is it? $100, 105. I think even 105 is pretty good. Like Service Now has the potential to get back to like 150. If we can get to like 150, good. And honestly, with AI, I think Service Now will get back to 200 plus. You know, and if it does get to 200 plus, it will be almost a double up from here, or about a double up, and most likely it will surpass this all time high if it's able to. If its AI agents continue to grow at a fast pace and become a major revenue and profit for their business, I think ServiceNow could be a $250 to $300 stock. Long term, right? It'll be better than it has ever been. So maybe maybe ServiceNow could be one of those stocks that is a $250 stock in the next 3-4 years, which would be pretty good, man. Which would be a 3x from here if it's in 3 years, 3x. If you have $5,000 to $10,000 in, you make 20K. That's pretty good. So that's kind of like my thought process with that. Shopify also another one that's moving up pretty quick. It's already at 120. This used to be under $100, man. At one point, it was a $95 stock if you were buying the lows. I mean, this was also a $180 stock at its peak. So 95, 180, almost a double up if it goes back to there. And eventually, Shopify is a high growth company. Long term, it's going to keep growing. I mean, just look at it. Long term, right? Goes up and it goes down. It's a volatile stock. I think very good stock. Those are the ones that I'm really interested in. Hood, if Hood continues to move up, I might actually have to sell some of this, But Hood is such a good company. It's always bringing out so many new things to its business. It's always launching stuff. Every single time, almost every month, it's launching something different. So it's always putting stuff up, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work, and just running with the stuff that works. I mean, look, it's a $100 billion market cap already, PE 54, pretty high PE. But it just keeps innovating the high growth. Bro, Hood is doing so well, even though crypto is down so much. Like, imagine if crypto wasn't down so much. I think this would be easily a $200 stock by now, So, I was able to buy $1,000 of this when it was getting close to the 60s. I just didn't have enough money to put into it, man. It's a problem. I need to get my income up to get some of these stocks because some of these are insane deals. Even Microsoft, man. Microsoft at $350 was a good one. I was like, oh my God, this is such a good deal. I just didn't have any money, man. I only have 2 shares of this. I would want to have like another 5. I would want to have this 5 to 10K just like in Meta. I think Meta is a higher growth potential, and it could be an easier double up than Microsoft. I think even Microsoft, like long term, was gonna double up. And Microsoft's a big company, man. Not even 3 trillion, but it used to be at 3.5 trillion at one point. So there's lots of potential in the market. Netflix too, another one where I can see this one going up a lot. I can see this one becoming a $1 trillion market cap on the long term, right? That's a 3x right there. So, there's a lot of good buys for the very long term. So I just need to keep plowing more money into this portfolio. This portfolio needs to hit 100K fast. And once it hits 100K, I'm gonna continue to go crazy. I'm not gonna lift off on the gas because a lot of people do get comfortable after the 100K, but not me. I'm gonna try to push to 250,000, and then maybe after that I'll become more comfortable.